Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make baklava Dubai chocolate. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 pound of phyllo dough, 2 cups of mixed nuts like pistachios and walnuts, and 8 ounces of good quality chocolate. Next, prepare a simple syrup by combining 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water, simmering until thickened. Don't forget to melt 1 cup of unsalted butter for brushing. Now, finely chop your 2 cups of mixed nuts, adding a tablespoon of cinnamon if desired. Carefully lay out your phyllo dough, keeping unused sheets covered with a damp cloth to prevent drying. Brush each individual phyllo sheet generously with melted butter. Layer about 1/3 of the phyllo sheets, then spread half of your nut mixture evenly over them. Continue layering another third of the phyllo, then add the remaining nut mixture. Finish with the final third of the phyllo sheets, brushing each one with butter. Before baking, carefully cut the baklava into traditional diamond or square shapes. Bake your baklava in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes until it's golden brown and crispy. Once the baklava is out of the oven, immediately pour the cooled simple syrup evenly over the hot pastry. Let it absorb completely for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. Then, melt 8 ounces of your chosen chocolate, like dark or milk, using a double boiler. Drizzle the melted chocolate over the cooled baklava, creating beautiful patterns. Allow the chocolate to set completely before cutting into individual pieces. This delightful treat is perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your homemade Dubai chocolate baklava.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.